Erica James with Erica James Travel, and today I'm in beautiful Mexico. I'm going to take a tour today at the Chichen Itza, and we are going to take a look at all the ruins and the grounds, and I'm going to show you all about it. So come on, let's go with me. Oh, I only see the tail. Okay. The important family would sit here. It's currently missing the rooftop, but they would sit in here while the other spectators would sit at the top of the building and watch the game. Oh, I see the head. Oh, now I see it over there.
Okay. Yeah.
I see the snakes and him holding the head.
Look at from the body of that person.
Right now we are walking on the Mayan road that leads to the sacrificial well. Okay, so we're at a cenote. Oh, I haven't even gotten there and I can feel the cool air coming from inside this cave. And I'm getting closer. Can you see how beautiful it looks? This is beautiful.